Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 16th, 2025, we're diving into the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, to analyze recent market news and its implications on the charts. First, let's recap some key events. According to recent news, stock futures are up as the S&P 500 aims for a 5-day rally. However, there are concerns about tariffs potentially leading to price increases, as highlighted by Walmart. Investopedia mentioned that the S&P 500 gained 0.3% on May 15th, marking the fourth straight day that the benchmark index closed higher. Additionally, MarketWatch is questioning if the rebound is coming too fast and discusses the potential impact of tariffs based on various reports. Let's correlate this with the chart data. Looking at the SPY daily chart, we can see a series of candles forming a general upward trend. Starting from January 2024, the SPY has generally increased in value. However, we also see significant pullbacks, like the one in early April 2025, showing the volatility present in the market. This could be reflecting news about tariff implementations and general market uncertainty. The recent run-up starting in May looks strong, however. Zooming in on the more recent price action from the beginning of May 2025, we can see SPY attempting to recover from a pullback in April. The last few candles show some indecision. A break above $591 could signal further bullish momentum in the short term, while a drop below $585 could indicate a bearish reversal, correlating with concerns about tariffs and their impact on the economy. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a clearer view of the intraday price action. Here, we can identify potential support and resistance levels. Notice how the price action around the $587 and $590 levels has acted as both support and resistance in the past few weeks, suggesting these are key areas to watch for potential breakouts or breakdowns. Finally, looking at the 15-minute chart, we can pinpoint more precise entry and exit points for shorter-term trades. For example, consolidation at 587 on May 15th. Keep an eye on volume confirmations for any breakouts or breakdowns from these patterns. Increased volume during a breakout suggests a stronger move. In summary, here are the key price levels to watch. Support: $585, potential strong support, $580, major psychological level. Resistance: $591, previous high, potential breakout point, $600, psychological resistance. As for predictions, a breakout above $591 with strong volume would likely lead to a test of $600, 60% probability if the 5-day rally continues. Conversely, a breakdown below $585 could trigger a sell-off towards $580, 50% probability if tariff concerns intensify. Be cautious of announcements regarding trade deals and tariff implementations, as they will likely introduce volatility and potential trend changes.